Welcome back, Miss Althea.
Thank you.
Kailan yung last natin?
December.
December pa
Yeah.
to. Kamusta yung fading? Okay naman?
It's okay, but
Yeah.
I kind of wanna go more blonde.
More blonde
Yeah.
pa.
Kaya ba yung hair ko?
Yeah, yun lang. Since meron kang mga previous bleach,
Yeah.
another bleach ako, syempre magre-react na talaga yung hair mo and mas mararamdaman mo na yung dryness.
It's okay.
Gano'n ka blonde?
How light do you think it can go? But I want with dimension pa sana.
Meron pa rin
Yeah.
dimensions. Siguro like, ito kasi siguro mga lagay na lang natin 70%.
Yeah.
Gawin kong mga 80 to 90% blonde. Yeah?
That's okay with
Okay. Basta more brighter na.
Yes, yes.
Gano'n ka blonde sa inspiration mo?
I don't really have. Because
Ako na
I've
bahala.
been blonde already full
Okay.
before. And then I went to you to get it highlight, the balayage. So, but now, the fading, it's more brown kasi in
Ngayon
pictures.
tingnan.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I want it to be more blonde.
Blonde
like
effect.
brighter.
Yeah. Okay. Ako na bahala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I leave it up
Ako
to
na
you.
yung bahala sa pagka-blonde mo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sige. Yun lang naman, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yun lang.
And then, si Nika, siya yung maglalagay ng color. Ako pa rin magde-decide kung ano yung gagawin
Okay.
sa'yo mo. Mixing ng color. Ako na yun, ha?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sige. Parade ko lang po, ha?
Sige.
Sa Thea.
Thank you.
Yan. Blonde to blonde.
Yeah.
Yan.
Love it.
So, ito yung pangalawa natin.
yeah, second bleach.
So, kamusta yung blonde na ngayon?
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really brighter now.
Yes. Kasi yung before natin, like 30%
More-
lang yun
yeah.
blonde nun. Eh.
And it was
There is
more brown.
Yeah. Ngayon, mas plakado.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Tapos pagaganyan mo. Yeah. Uy.
Okay.
Pagaganyan mo. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, yung mga aftercare lang, alam mo na yan kung paano
Yeah.
alagaan, ha?
I have already purple shampoo.
So, especially more treatment.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go.